What's up, you guys? It's Tyler, aka Cheesehead 300, and today I got a new video for you. It's something a little bit different from what I usually do. I'm trying out my first ever tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create and upload your own thumbnail through your mobile device, 100% off your mobile device, alright? If you're like me and you don't have a PC at home, or at hand at all times, it can be real hard to make your own thumbnails and upload them. It took me a lot of trial and error for me to figure out how to do it. So, that being said, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So right now I'm on the regular YouTube app. I'm going to go ahead and click edit here, and I'm going to go to the edit page, and notice that you can change description, privacy tags, location right here just off the edit tab. But you can't change, you won't be able to see me tapping it, but I'm tapping the thumbnail right now, and you can't see me tapping it, but you also can't change it either, which is frustrating. It can be really frustrating, especially when you're just starting out. You feel like your content is really, really good, or at least you're proud of it, and you just can't seem to put out quality thumbnails that, just kind of pop a little bit more. So, with that, let's go ahead and get started here. So, the two apps that you'll need that I love to use are Snapseed and YouTube Studio. Snapseed is that one right in between Power Director and TubeBuddy. YouTube Studio is at the top left corner. First thing you'll need to do is open Snapseed. And then you'll get this white screen here. You can, tap anywhere to open your camera roll. Excuse my memes. Let's go ahead and use this one. So, let's say I have a video and it was my first Apex win, right? So, first thing I do, actually, before I get too ahead of myself, the first thing I actually do is put a filter on the picture. I like to use morning here. It's my favorite one, but you can use any of the ones provided to you. It's all a creative choice, of course. And then what you'll want to do is go here to Tools. And then from here you have all sorts of different things you can do to enhance the picture and make it perfect for you and your style. I'm not going to use these today. I'm just going to scroll down here to the text, and I'm just going to want to choose one that I think just kind of pops a little bit. Let's do this. So I got it here, and you can move it wherever you want to move it. I like to put mine up in the corner just to, keep it out of the way of center picture, because that way you can kind of see what's going on in the background still. Alright, so let's go ahead and just double tap like it says, delete that. I like to use capitals in mine. Very first Apex. Oh my goodness, I cannot type right now. Win. Alright. And then there you go. And that's very bold, very, just right out there. And you go ahead and click on it. And now, you come here and you go down to export. And you just go to save, and it'll just save it right to your phone, okay? Alright, so we'll just go to save, and it'll just save it right to my phone. So now that it's saved to your phone, you'll just close out the Snapseed app, open up YouTube Studio, scroll down through your videos, view more, scroll down through your videos to the one you want to change. I'm going to change the one on my very first Apex win to the one I just created. So you'll just click that little icon. I'll go back. That little icon up in the right, that little pencil. You click that, and then just go to edit thumbnail. Go to change. Click the last one you did, or the one you're most happy with. You can do, a series if you'd like. and then go to select, and then go to save. And it should be uploaded to your YouTube now. It should be saved to your channel. And now don't freak out. I'm gonna refresh this. It's not gonna look like it to you guys, but I am refreshing it. So it did save down here for me. And then sometimes what it will do is it won't look like it actually saved, but it actually will. So don't freak out, because for a while I was freaking out and I wasn't sure if it actually saved or not. And there it goes. And now it's saved to my YouTube. I got a brand new fresh thumbnail up there, and I'm very happy with it. So that is how you do that. Just something quick, something a little easy, but like I said, you can definitely do however you want to do it and however you want to get it done using these apps. It's completely up to you. I'm just trying to be some sort of facilitator to help you do it a little easier at least. And with that, that should be the end of this video. I really hope it helped at least someone out there. And yeah, so that'll be the end of this one today. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. Alright, bye.